Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. So we're going to be tackling a couple of chores each day over about a week's time. This has just been easier for me. I've been super overwhelmed with life lately, just with everything, kids, working full time. So I'm finding that doing a little bit each day is what's keeping everything afloat right now. So hopefully you can relate to this. So just starting off with a quick cleanup of the kitchen, just putting everything away. I do try to do this weekly so that the countertop and all the clutter doesn't build up and get crazy out of control. And I always go for the Wyman cleaners pretty much, or I use Windex on my counters. They're Quartz, and I just find that it works the best. That or a little bit of soap and water in a spray bottle and you're good to go. And I've been using the app Trello to keep track of like all of the different chores and the things that I need to get done. So it's like a digital to-do list. You can make all different types of boards. You can do ones for like food shopping, whatever you need. I've been really enjoying that because I like to be able to go in and like check off what I've done. And there I can see what I still want to get done. If you're looking for a good electric cleaner for like your devices and stuff, check out the Windex ones. They work really well. Gets it nice and streak free. So I was playing this little game where just leave everything and see if anyone else cleans it. Nope, no one else cleaned it. So here I am. But I just use a little soap and water. I like the white Keurig, but it gets dirty. So you use it once or twice and it looks filthy. So you just have to keep on wiping it. Other than that, it's pretty easy to maintain and keep clean. I will link above in the cards like a full in-depth cleaning tutorial of how I do a deep clean. Also on my list of things to get done for the week, I need to deep clean the sink here. So I'll show you in a minute, but I love using Barkeeper's Friend. I just think it works so well for deep cleaning. Really great for cleaning stainless steel, and also the sink grate works really well to clean that. Here's how the sink is looking now. There's definitely some like mold and grime and yucky stuff. It's hard to see with the angle, but if you can look kind of up close, you can see all the grime and yuckiness that's going on in there. Using the Barkeeper's Friend, great for removing all types of rust, calcium lime, tarnish, any type of stain that's difficult to remove. Works really great. So I'm using a dish brush here. It works great for this. I'll link some of the ones I have down below. They're only for cleaning the sink though. Of course, I don't use them to clean the dishes along with the sponges. I use the blue sponges typically for like the deep cleaning, and then I use pink sponges for dishes. This way, nothing ever gets mixed up. And this sink deep clean typically takes me like 5-10 minutes, I would say. And I try to do it at least once a week. Otherwise, it just stains build up and it just gets really, really nasty. And then it's harder to keep up with. Next up on the to-do list is cleaning my makeup brushes. I like to use the Dawn dish soap or just regular gentle shampoo depending on how difficult, if it's like a foundation or how difficult each brush is to clean. The Dawn works great. It works really, really well for beauty sponges. So if you have a hard time getting yours clean, try the Dawn, the regular blue dish soap. It works wonders. And I always like to do this at night. This way I wake up and my brushes are nice and clean and dry, no better feeling. So to keep up with the laundry, I always do at least one load a day. So I will wash and fold at least one load per day, sometimes two. Otherwise, the laundry just becomes unmanageable and I get overwhelmed and bogged down with it. And after I fold the kids' clothes, I try to put it away right away, or if not right away, sometime that day. This way I can keep up with it. Otherwise, everything just becomes too overwhelming. I'm kind of at that stage where there's a lot of little baby toys and, you know, older things that we're really not using anymore. And I have to decide what we're going to get rid of, what we're going to hang on to. And I don't want to just hang on to stuff and store it in the attic just for the sake of storing it. I'd rather give it away to someone that could use it because we're getting out of that baby stage now. I have had washing the sneakers on my to-do list for probably the past couple of weeks. I don't know what this child does if she's just walking in dirt all day. They get so dirty so fast. It's so strange to me. Anyway, I use OxiClean to clean the sneakers. I find that it works really well, gets them looking as good as they're going to look, if not like they're almost new again. Does a great job. And then I just put the rack in the dryer. I do a time dry for about an hour. I typically have to do that like twice because it is tricky to get the insoles and inside the sneaker nice and dry, but it works really great. Oh my God, if you could see the before, so much better.